Today we are using Parle-G biscuits in a different way. We are going to make very fancy and tasty choco balls, and trust me, these choco balls are tastier than they are looking. And the best part is it's really a quick and easy recipe. Hello kitchen queens and kings, welcome to my channel Gina in the Kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's quickly move on to today's recipe. As I already told you, today we are going to make choco balls with Parle-G biscuits. So we are taking 2 packs of Parle-G biscuits. That means you can take 10 rupees pack of Parle-G. It will be good enough for making 18 to 20 choco balls. First of all, we need to grind these biscuits. So let's take a grinder jar and put all the biscuits in it. And we will make fine powder of these biscuits. And biscuit powder is ready. Let's check once, as we don't want any piece of biscuit in it. Otherwise we will face difficulty in making balls. So it should be really fine. Now let's take this powder out in a mixing bowl. To make these choco balls, you can use any plain biscuits like Marigold or any other similar one. Now we need 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. So here I am using Cadbury's cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can replace it with drinking chocolate powder. This is unsweetened. Let's mix both the things properly. If you want to make it more chocolatey, you can increase the quantity of cocoa powder. As you can see, biscuit and cocoa powder are mixed properly. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk or milk made in it. If you don't have condensed milk, you can replace it with 2 tablespoons melted butter plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. As right now we are using condensed milk and it is sweetened, so we don't need to add extra sugar in it. So I have mixed all the things with the help of a spatula. Now we will make a dough out of it. If dough seems tight, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk in it. So here I have added just 1 tablespoon of milk, as we don't want it to be very loose. And our biscuit dough is ready to make balls, and this is really sticky, so we need to grease our hands with ghee or oil. Now let's start making balls. So we will make bite-sized small balls with this dough. And likewise we will make more balls with rest of the dough. And our balls are ready. Now we will keep them in deep freezer for 10 minutes or in fridge for half an hour, so they become cold, and when we'll dip them in chocolate, it gets set instantly. So now keep them in fridge, and let's move on to the next step. Here we have 100 gram of dark chocolate compound. You can use dairy milk or Amul milk chocolate as well. Now we need to melt it, but before that I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil in it. Oil helps the chocolate melts more smoothly and makes it the perfect consistency for dipping. Now you can microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds, but today I am going to melt it on gas through double boiler method. So here on gas I kept a vessel with a little water, like a half cup of water, and we will keep the flame on low to medium. So the water is getting hot now, so let's put the chocolate ball on it, and now we will stir it with the help of a spoon till it melts completely. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. And our chocolate ganache is ready, so let's take it off from the flame. And here we have our balls, which I took out from fridge, and they are completely chilled. So let's move on to the final step. Now one by one we will dip all the balls in chocolate, and we will keep the balls on a butter paper or aluminium foil so they don't get stick to the surface. balls are chilled, so chocolate will get set by itself on them. We don't need to keep them in fridge. And our choco balls are ready. Let's garnish them. You can use finely chopped almonds or sugar sprinklers, or you can simply pour rest of the chocolate ganache on the balls like this with the help of a spoon. You can use white chocolate as well. It will look really beautiful on these dark chocolate balls. And our super delicious Parle-G Choco Balls are ready to serve, ready to eat. As you can see, they are looking extremely beautiful, and trust me, they are tastier than they are looking. No one can even judge that they are made so easily and with Parle-G biscuits. So do try them at your home really soon and tell me in the comment section how did you find them. Share your experience with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes. Tap on the bell icon too so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We'll catch up again really soon.